Welcome to Libertex. Since hitting lows at the end of March and into April, gold has managed to climb back into bull territory, and the bull run has been giving traders hope that the $2,000 an ounce mark will soon be crossed. However, the closer gold appears to inch towards this level, the more steam it appears to be losing as we go further into the month of June. So will the rally for gold end as abruptly as it started? Stay until the end of this video, as we'll be uncovering the central developments fueling the latest price action for gold, with a view into the gold technical analysis towards the end. And for the latest content on the gold markets, breakout cryptocurrency trades, stocks, and more, make sure to support us in our research by liking this video and subscribing to our channel to never miss a beat from inside the markets. So without further ado, let's get started with the gold trading update. From the end of March at around $1,700 an ounce to where gold is trading at currently, the market has gotten to enjoy a sizable increase in momentum in these most recent months, giving many traders hope that the highs experienced at the start of the year can be broken once again and move past the elusive $2,000 an ounce mark. Most recently, the market has gotten a bit of a pullback, so it remains to be seen whether gold can consolidate and continue the rally upward, or if this is as much as we can hope to expect out of gold in the short term. Much of the price action for gold hinges on the outcome of inflation and recovery, and whether we are entering a resurgence out of COVID and the effects that will bring into the markets. Further uncertainty, another financial crash, or significant inflation will likely have the power to bring gold further to the upside, as money tends to move into gold when times are uncertain. On top of this, the US dollar has fallen even lower recently, performing sluggishly on new updates on disappointing jobs numbers and lower than expected US retail sales. Another important factor that has influenced the price action of gold lately is that US bonds have also cooled off from highs in light of the latest economic reports. The most promising economic outlook scenario is largely tied to the continued rollout efforts of the COVID vaccine, as hopes are still pinned to this for bringing the world back into normalization and economic recovery. This would be a bearish outcome for gold, however, as renewed confidence in the markets usually sees a decrease in interest and trading for the safe haven assets like gold and silver. Some events to watch out for will be the updated CPI, Consumer Price Index numbers, that are scheduled to be released on Thursday, June 10th, and if these come in higher than anticipated, it will likely mean good news for those who are bullish on gold. If they are lower, it will be good news for the US dollar index. Up until recently, the combination of uncertainty and economic indicators has created a strong climate for gold to thrive in, and the reversal out of this downtrend experienced for the past months has shown that gold can continue to be a big mover for traders and investors alike. The question is how much longer this can be sustained for, and if gold is likely to continue moving forward or lose momentum. In addition to these updates, from a technical analysis perspective, gold is now trading at a very important level. Let's now have a look into the technical chart for gold to get a better read on where we can possibly see gold going from here with where we are going into the end of the month. Alright, we are now in the Libertex trading terminal looking at the technical chart for gold, and just taking a look back, you can see how gold broke out at the start of the year, but then has experienced a great deal of pressure up until only the past couple months, leading us to where we are currently trading, hovering just below $1,900 an ounce. So since hitting the mid $1,600 levels back at the end of March and into April, we have seen a very nice run back to the upside, giving gold a roughly 10%, 15% increase in price. And when we look at the channel gold is now trading in, we are at levels not seen since this past February. We can see now that gold is attempting to consolidate around the critical $1,900 level, which it has so far traded under. From where we are trading now, the nearest level of resistance can be found indeed at $1,900 an ounce, followed by $1,915 and then $1,930. So what traders really need to be keeping their eye on in the short term, specifically, are the following levels of support. The most critical being at $1,875 and then $1,855 an ounce. So if this $1,875 level here is broken, expect a decent amount of selling to enter the market and potentially bring gold further down to this $1,855 channel, which if unable to get a bounce back to the upside here, could theoretically bring gold back to the Fibonacci level at around 1760, which was established back in 2020. So if anything, the latest price action for gold should prove that $2,000 can be well within reach and is not a wild estimate or price prediction should the overall economic outlook continue to remain relatively uncertain. The momentum gold has experienced in the past months could well continue, and the dip we have experienced briefly here just now may well be just a sign of a healthy pullback before more steam can enter the market. So should you be trading gold in the short term, do consider setting stop losses at some of these levels here, because if the support cannot sustain itself, it is possible that gold will be pushed back to some of these lower levels. But if it does manage to consolidate or get a bounce off of that 1875 level, some of these higher levels can be considered as take profit levels, as levels you might want to exit the trade if you are only trading gold in the short term. Do you think gold will continue the rally? Let us know your thoughts and price predictions for gold in the comments to join the conversation with our analysts and community. And if you're interested in taking up positions with gold and trading it, whether for the long or short term, Libertex makes it easy. Simply head over to libertex.com or via the links in the description to make a free account in just a few minutes and get in on the action. Not only do we offer gold, silver, and other metals, but also the top cryptocurrencies, stock CFDs, forex pairs, and more. We hope you enjoyed this updated gold price forecast video and that it gave you a bit more insight on where we could possibly see gold trading in the coming weeks. Make sure to like this video to help us make more updates and support our mission to give traders a sharper edge. We wish you a great month of trading and look forward to seeing you next time.